on social media, in the age of social media, there is a lot of talk about menstruation, health, female hygiene, and a lot of that stuff goes around on Instagram and Facebook and YouTube. So what happens is that I read a lot about all of these issues, and this year I think something which is trending is seed cycling. I don't know how good or bad it is. Have you heard of it, or should we do it? I don't know. As in, if you look at the brands and experts that are hired by brands, they would highly recommend that you should do seed cycling, and better than eating or popping supplements and medicines. So what is your view on that?
It's very, very trending. You're absolutely right. What they're talking about, seed cycle. And as soon as you online, आप Google पे भी जाओगे, आप write करोगे seed cycling, you'll get, I think, tens and tens of products for you that they're suggesting you that you should have it or not. See, seeds, your pumpkin seeds, your flax seeds and everything, they are good source of omega-3s. They are very good source of omega-3s, but that will never replace your other habits. This will only account for 2 to 5% that you can actually, आप एक बोलते हो ना supplement कर सकते हो. But what you are doing, the rest 90-95%, it cannot cover up that. और बहुत टाइम मैं भी बोलती हूँ, these things are endorsed.
So on social media, there is so much talk about it that people, even experts and nutritionists, they will recommend that you do your own seed cycling. Sometimes they're not promoting a brand, but they're telling you that in which phase of your menstrual cycle you should be having flax seeds or pumpkin seeds or sesame seeds. So, you get confused as a woman that, what should I try it or not? So which is why I was asking this question. So which means that it is only 2 to 5%, which is very low. So if we skip it, it doesn't affect our health.
See, what happens is, आप कोई भी recommendation लेते हो, and always tell people that it's our right, and especially as a doctors or a nutritionist who we are going online, that we should give the correct information out. It's very important क्योंकि any information should have a scientific background to it. ठीक है, तो अगर आप पढ़ोगे, like if you put out a nutrition label also out, if you like taking sesame seeds, if you like taking pumpkin seed, please go ahead, because वो आपको नुकसान तो करने नहीं वाले हैं. These things are never going to, they have any adverse effect on you, but the other aspects have to be balanced it out. अगर आप proper exercise नहीं करोगे, proper खाना नहीं खाओगे, proper sleep नहीं लोगे, तो these things are not going to have any impact on your health at all.